Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video I would like to discuss the notes of the chapter and exercise. Along with them some extra question answers are also there. So first thing is nutrients. What do you mean by the term nutrients? So nutrient means components of food present in the components of food which provide nourishment to our body. Second is obesity. What do you mean by the term obesity? So obesity means a person is having excessive weight compared to the normal one. Means जितना weight होना चाहिए उससे बहुत ज़्यादा weight हो, so that will be considered as a obesity. Next one is hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is a red color pigment which makes our blood look red. So this can be asked in 1 marks. Then roughage. What do you mean by the term roughage? So roughage is the fibrous matter present in the food which cannot be digested. Okay, so the fibrous or dietary fibers which cannot be digested but it smoothen our bowel movement is considered as a dietary fibers. So it will give the definition and function both. Dehydration. Sometimes it happens that your body loses excessive water either due to vomiting or due to diarrhea or loose motion or both. So in such cases we are losing excessive water and some salts through it. So this condition is considered as a dehydration. Now I am moving to the next is exercise. So first is name the major nutrients in our food. So basically 5 nutrients are there, that are carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. Okay. Apart from these 5, dietary fibers and water is also essential. Now name the following. So first is the nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. So 2 are there, 2 energy giving food or nutrient are there. First is carbohydrate and second is fats. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. So for that protein is essential because it is also known as bodybuilding food. It helps in growth as well as repair our damaged body parts. That's why. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. So the vitamin A keeps our eye and skin healthy. So answer will be vitamin A. Next is a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. So for that calcium is the correct one because our bones are made up of calcium. Now I am moving to the next, that name 2 food each rich in. So 2 will be there, oil and ghee. Apart from these 2 you can write any other sources of fat like milk products. Then you can write meat, egg, chicken, fish, etc. Second is starch. So for the starch you can write potato, sweet potato, banana, rice, corn, etc. So you can write any carbohydrate rich source. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers obtained from 3 things. Number 1 is fruits, number 2 is vegetable and third is whole grains. होल ग्रेन्स मतलब हम ग्रेन को ही खाते हैं, उसको पाउडर मीन्स उसको फ्लावर फॉर्म में नहीं खाते हैं, उसको होल ग्रेन्स बोलते हैं. जैसे कि चावल है तो चावल का आटा नहीं बल्कि चावल होल उसको कुक करके खाते हैं तो उसको होल ग्रेन्स बोला जाता है. वैसे ही कॉर्न है तो कॉर्न को आप बॉईल करते हो एंड उसको एज अ सीड के तौर पे खाते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग मेज़ फ्लावर. आटे के फॉर्म में आप नहीं खाते हो, उसको पूरा ही खाते हो, उस सीड को पूरा ही कंज्यूम करते हो, उसको होल ग्रेन्स बोला जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. So by eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. So answer will be false because rice basically provide us carbohydrate and very few amount of vitamins. Apart from this, what about protein, vitamins, minerals, fats and all? These things cannot be get from the rice. So due to that reason, we cannot say that rice is alone and it will going to fulfill our whole nutritional requirement. So answer will be false. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. So deficiency disease, definitely deficiency means what? Any nutrient is lacking in your body. आपकी बॉडी में कोई भी न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी हो ना, उसको ही हम डेफिशिएंसी बोलते हैं. अगर आप बैलेंस डाइट खाते हो तो बैलेंस डाइट में सारे न्यूट्रिएंट हमारे रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हम कंज्यूम करते हैं, तो कोई भी विटामिन की डेफिशिएंसी या कमी हमारी बॉडी में नहीं होगी एंड हमें कोई भी डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ नहीं होगा. Next is meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. So answer will be false. Why it is false? Let me explain you. See, meat will provide you protein and fats. But what about dietary fibers, vitamins and minerals? It is not getting from the meat. So we cannot say that meat is the only balanced diet. No. Okay, meat alone will not fulfill all the requirement of the nutrients in your body. So due to that reason, answer will be false. See beta, in the older textbook, पुरानी टेक्स्ट बुक्स के अंदर यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा चेंज है. वहाँ पे उन्होंने ये सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बनाया है. मीट अलोन इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट टू प्रोवाइड ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू बॉडी. इफ़ अगर ऐसा है, इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट, दैन द आंसर विल बी ट्रू. बट यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, मीट अलोन इज़ सफिशिएंट टू प्रोवाइड ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू द बॉडी. सो दैट्स वाई आंसर विल बी फॉल्स. Fill in the blanks. First is dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. So basically when the vitamin D deficiency happens, your bones become weak and bend. That disease name is rickets. Generally happen in the small children. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. So look over here. Vitamin B is in a group form, complex form. Okay, so we have to compulsory write vitamin B1 instead of just writing vitamin B. If you are just writing vitamin B, then answer will be false. So make sure you should have to write vitamin B1. C. Next is deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as dash. So its name is scurvy. Scurvy is happen when the vitamin C is lacking in your body and it is causing the deficiency of vitamin C, in which your gums started bleeding, and this is very severe. So its name is scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. So answer will be vitamin A, because vitamin A keeps our eyesight and skin healthy. Suppose it is lacking, then definitely poor blur vision or night blindness can be possible. Now here the exercise completed and I am going to start the extra question answers. Okay, so first is, why should a meal have different food items? So if different food items are there, so the nutritional requirement get fulfilled. So that's why you should eat different kinds of food items. So it is written because of proper functioning of our body. Okay. Which nutrient are regarded as energy providing nutrients in our food? So answer will be carbohydrates and fats. Next is give a function of roughage. So basically roughage smoothen the bowel movement. So if you are eating roughage, then you will not have a problem named as constipation. In constipation, basically what is happening, you are not removing your waste time to time. Okay, because of the absence of dietary fibers, the food has been stuck in your small intestine and large intestine, and this is considered, and your waste is been stick on the inner wall of this intestinal tract, and due to that reason the waste is or undigested food is not removing from your body, it is considered as a constipation. So if you eat dietary fiber, so you will not going to face constipation issues. What is balanced diet? So balanced diet means all the nutrients in a requirement or in a needed quantity if you are eating, so that will be considered as a balanced diet. Now balanced diet is also considering all the nutrients as well as dietary fibers and water. Why is it important to cook food? So total 3 reasons are there. If you cook the food, then it becomes tasty. If you cook the food, then it is easy to digest it. And last but not the least, that cooking process required heat. उसको गर्मी की ज़रूरत होती है, तब जाके चीज़ें हैं वो कुक होती है. सो इसलिए अगर आप खाने को हीट करके कुक करके खाओगे तो खाने के अंदर थोड़े बहुत अगर हार्मफुल जर्म्स अवेलेबल है तो हीटिंग की वजह से वो मर जाएंगे. सो ड्यू टू दैट रीज़न आपकी बॉडी को कोई भी हार्म नहीं होगा. सो ये मेन चीज़ है बिहाइंड वाई टू कुक द फूड. नंबर 1 इज़ टू किल द बैक्टीरियाज. Second one, it makes the food easy to digest and it makes the food tasty. Sixth question is, mention 2 components of food that do not provide nutrients. So total 2 are there, that is roughage and water. Okay, these 2 are not providing you any nutrient, but it will very important. Why it is important? So about roughage we understood in above questions that it prevent the constipation, and about water we are going to understand in the next question. Water does not provide nutrients, yet it is an important component of food. Explain. So we know that water do not provide any nutrient, but 4 reasons are responsible why water is important in your body. उनमें से मेन एक चीज़ है कि वाटर हमारी बॉडी में 70% अवेलेबल है. सो 70% बॉडी के अंदर वाटर कंटेंट अवेलेबल है, और ये वाटर ये 4 फंक्शंस करता है. नंबर 1, दैट इट हेल्प्स टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द फूड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, और इट हेल्प्स टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द सब्सटेंसेस इन थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. नंबर 1. Number 2 is that it helps to absorb the nutrients in your body. जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट आपने कंज्यूम किया है उसका एब्जॉर्प्शन का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तभी जाके एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होगी, बॉडी बिल्डिंग होगा, प्रोटेक्शन होगा, मेंटेनेंस होगा. सो ये सारी चीज़ तब होगी जब हमारी बॉडी में न्यूट्रिएंट है वो एब्जॉर्ब होंगे. सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड थिंग. थर्ड रीज़न दैट इट हेल्प्स टू रेगुलेटिंग अवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर. हमारी बॉडी का कुछ टेम्परेचर होता है विच इज़ 36 डिग्री टू 37, इन दोनों के बीच हमारा टेम्परेचर होता है. सो इसका मेंटेन करने का काम है वाटर का. ओके, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज़ दैट वॉट एवर द वेस्ट इज़ देयर इन योर बॉडी, इट इज़ बीन रिमूव्ड विद द ईदर बाय यूरिन और स्वेट. आपकी बॉडी में जो भी लिक्विड वेस्ट होगा, ये लिक्विड वेस्ट या तो यूरिन फॉर्म में या तो स्वेट फॉर्म में आपकी बॉडी में से रिमूव हो जाएगा. 8th question is, why should we eat balanced diet? Name the vitamin that gets destroyed by heating. So main thing is that our body required all the nutrients in a right amount, that will be considered as a balanced diet. Now these balanced diet include all the 5 nutrients, roughage and water. Now second question is that which vitamin gets destroyed by heating? So answer is vitamin C, because vitamin C will get destroyed if you heat it. इसलिए आपकी मम्मी जब भी खाना कुक करती है, so at that time first she will going to switch off the stove, once your food is little bit warm, at that time she will going to add the lemon or any other sour ingredient into that, so that the vitamin C which is there in the sour fruits or anything, so that will going to be maintained and it will not makes your food bitter. ओके जब अगर आप बहुत गर्म चीज़ के अंदर कोई खट्टी चीज़ डाल देते हो तो उसमें विटामिन सी जो होता है वो मर जाता है, डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है और आपको फिर वो खाना खाने से नहीं मिलेगा। सेकेंड चीज़, खाने को थोड़ा बहुत कड़वा बना देता है। सो इसलिए हम जब भी विटामिन सी, लेमन का यूज़ करना हो या ऐसी कोई खट्टी चीज़ का यूज़ करना हो, हम हमेशा मेक श्योर करते हैं कि खाना थोड़ा सा वार्म हो। ओके, कुकिंग प्रोसेस जस्ट कंप्लीट हुई है तो उसकी 15 या 20 मिनट्स के बाद ही उसमें लेमन ऐड करते हैं ताकि विटामिन सी है वो डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो और आपको भी वो मिले। लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, इट इज़ सेड दैट मिल्क इज़ अ होलसम फूड एज इट कंटेन मोस्ट ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स। Do you think that you can remain healthy by consuming only milk as your regular diet? So answer will be no. Okay, why? Because your milk consists almost all ingredients like carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. But two things is not present in the food, present in the milk. Number one is vitamin C, that is lack of vitamin C. Vitamin C नहीं होता है मिल्क के अंदर। ओके, पहली चीज़। दूसरी चीज़ है कि उसमें डाइटरी फाइबर्स नहीं होते हैं। तो अगर आप मिल्क को एज अ होलसम फूड ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर में कंज्यूम करते रहते हो तो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाएगा। सेकेंड थिंग, आपकी बॉडी में विटामिन सी की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी जिससे आपको स्कर्वी या ऐसे कोई सिम्टम्स आपको हो जाएंगे। सो इसलिए हम मिल्क को होलसम फूड बोल सकते हैं लेकिन उसको कंसीडर नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज इट इज़ हैविंग एब्सेंस ऑफ विटामिन सी। Okay, so on this note all the extra question answers are completed. This is the flow chart that you have to draw in the notebook. Now अगर आप इसका शेप अलग तरीके से ड्रॉ करते हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ओके, आपकी चॉइस। अगर आप स्क्वायर फॉर्म में लिखना चाहो या फ्लो चार्ट फॉर्म में लिखना चाहो या इस तरीके से सर्कुलर जो गिवन है इस तरीके से करना चाहो, we don't have any issues, but you have to draw it. See beta, in the 6th standard each and every chapter consists of flow chart, so you have to prepare it because it can be asked in exams. Okay, so on this note I am completing this chapter. If you have any doubt then you can ask me in the comment section. Whenever the next time I will upload the video you will have a new chapter. Okay, the hint is that chapter will be from biology. Okay, so I have already sent the PDF file on the group, so I hope you have started writing it. Okay, soon I am going to ask you for the notebook showing, so be prepared for that and complete your task. Have a nice day everybody. Eat healthy, stay healthy, keep smiling. Eid Mubarak in advance. Bye everybody.